I became champion when I was 30 years old.
पूरे आधे घंटे में पब्लिक सड़क के चारों तरफ खड़ी हुई थी रेसलर्स को देखने के लिए।
उस टाइम रेसलिंग ट्रेनिंग बहुत टफ थी, बहुत ज्यादा। It's not like that in America. Only in India.
Only in India. अपने अपना एक्सपीरियंस बता, जब आपने स्टार्ट की थी कहाँ से स्टार्ट की थी? आपने बताया बॉक्सिंग में।
बॉक्सिंग में स्टार्ट।
मेरा भी सेम एक्सपीरियंस है। जब मैंने कुश्ती स्टार्ट की थी कई साल लग गए थे मेरे को मैट पे पैर रखते हुए भी कि मैट कैसा होता है। और उस टाइम को, आपके टाइम को हम देखें, मेरे टाइम को हम देखें, आज आपने ये फैसिलिटी देखी है सारी। कितने लकी, मतलब मानते हो
बहुत ज्यादा
नहीं करते हैं। तो मतलब ये चीज अगर हम देखें कि आप क्या सोचते हो इसके बारे में? सब कुछ अवेलेबल है यहाँ।
Yes. If I believe if I would have had a facility like this, it wouldn't have taken me so long to become champion. I became champion when I was 30 years old. Maybe it would have happened a little bit before, but also early in my career in WWE, I had lost motivation. I started partying too much. Basically, I got signed to WWE when I was 23. I was very immature. I didn't have any life experience. So all of a sudden, when you're 23, 24, you're on television, you're traveling the world, you make money, right? Sometimes you fall into these traps. But it's important to realize that that's a trap and it will take you further away from your goal. Dieting, training, focus, hang out with positive people, tell yourself a positive message. Whatever you tell yourself will end up happening, right? If you tell yourself, I can't do this, then you can't do it. But if you tell yourself, I can do it, and you work hard, you can do it. You can achieve anything. I'm proof of that. And obviously God's blessing is very important. The blessing of your family, your friends, your supporters, very, very important. And you got to remember that you're not just doing this for you. You're doing it for your reason, your why. Could be your family, could be to motivate the next generation. Wherever you find inspiration, you need to use that. And avoid all the pitfalls, avoid the things that will take you further from your goal. Now I haven't drank alcohol in almost 10 years, not even one drink, because I know that thing is not good for me. It's not gonna take me closer to my goal, it's gonna take me further from my goal. I drink one day, that's fine, but then the next 2-3 days are lost. I'm hungover, I'm not gonna train, I'm gonna eat garbage. So it's not just the one day you lost, I'm gonna lose 3-4 days. Whereas if I don't drink, then 3-4 days I can progress, I can diet, I can eat, I can focus on wrestling. So these are the things that I learned through my experience, and I want to share these experiences. But I think everybody has this experience. You in a way have to hit rock bottom to bounce back up. Everybody's rock bottom is different, right? Some people have rock bottom from family issues or personal issues, anything, an injury. Injuries happen. You just have to use it as motivation and take things to the next level. And just use that momentum. Ever since I stopped drinking, all the way from 3MB, the transformation that I made to WWE champion was mind-blowing, right? And all of that happened in small steps. I know it seemed like a big leap quickly, but it wasn't. It was small steps. It was small steps. Okay, stop partying. Okay, now I'm gonna diet good. Now I'm gonna focus on my training. Now I'm gonna study wrestling. And I was given opportunity. The opportunity came, and because of the preparation that I had done, I was ready for that opportunity, right? Success comes when opportunity meets preparation. Without both things, it's very difficult to achieve very, very high level of success. You have to stay prepared because the opportunity will come. What happens sometimes, you give up right before the opportunity was about to come, and that opportunity never comes, right? So these things are very important, and from my personal journey, from where I started when I was 15 years old, wrestling in a boxing ring, then getting signed to WWE at a very young age, to getting released in 2014, to coming back in 2016 as a new person, then reaching the heights that I did. It's incredible. So I hope the WXM youth uses me as an example for inspiration that really anything is possible. So, think of not just Indian population, but our South Asian population globally is 2 billion, right? And only one WWE champion, and that's God.
यही मैं आपसे पूछूंगा, आपने पूरी दुनिया में इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट किया। अब चैंपियन भी बने। अब इंडिया में WXM में आके कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
बहुत बढ़िया लग गया, बहुत अच्छा लगा। वर्ल्ड क्लास फैसिलिटी, वर्ल्ड क्लास जिम, वर्ल्ड क्लास प्रोडक्शन, very, very great team of people. Students are very humble, willing to learn. So yeah, it's great. It in a way inspires me again, right? हम गए थे इंडिया गेट, लोगों ने कितना प्यार दिया, right? So because of that, that inspires me. Everywhere I go, everybody comes up, shows me so much love, so much respect. It's not like that in America. Only in India.
Only in India.
Only in India. And all the wrestlers that have wrestled in India from all over the world know that. Anybody who has wrestled here, because in Indian culture, we respect athletes, right? Especially wrestler के कितनी कदर होती है, कितनी respect. हाँ.
क्राउड है ना इंडिया का,
Yes.
सारे रेसलर हैरान थे कि मतलब इंडिया में इतने सारे इस तरह के लोग प्यार देते हैं.
Yes.
यहाँ की ऑडियंस इतनी है, वो यहाँ से कनेक्ट करते हैं.
Yes.
पाजी, आपने एडवांस ट्रेनिंग हमें बताई. एक मैं आपको देसी ट्रेनिंग में दिखाता हूँ.
हाँ, दिखाओ.
हम देसी कुश्ती शुरू से करते हैं, सालों से करते हैं.
दिखाओ.
आप देखते हैं कि नहीं. ठीक है, आपने पुशअप्स वो लगाए होंगे.
हाँ.
ठीक है, ये कुश्ती है.
हाँ. देसी पुशअप.
इनको है मेरे ख्याल हिंदू पुशअप्स बोलते हैं.
हाँ. ये बहुत बड़ी एक्सरसाइज है, करके इसके साथ साथ स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग भी है और फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी.
ये बाजी हमने इतनी कर रखी है, स्टार्ट करते थे पसीना पूरा, जिस तरह मेरी परछाई है ना, इतना पसीना हो जाता था तो लगे रहते थे बिल्कुल.
This way.
ये दारा सिंह जी और गामा पहलवान जितने थे सब ये एक्सरसाइज करते हैं.
बहुत बढ़िया.
कैसा फील हो रहा है?
बहुत बढ़िया.
ये
Thank you so much. Yes.